Today we are using a green screen in iMovie on iPad. We start by opening iMovie and creating a new project by hitting the plus sign. We're not choosing the trailer, but the movie. The first step is to select the background movies we want to use. I have already created some images in Keynote and exported them to my photos, so I can just select the ones I need. I hit Create Movie at the bottom of the screen. Now I will put the clips in the order I want. I can select the transition and trim them to the right length. Once the background is to my liking, I'll import the green screen footage. I select the movie and tap the three dots. I can now choose green or blue screen. The footage will be inserted at the playhead, so you might want to put that in the correct position before inserting the green screen material. You can of course move it around afterwards. As you can see, the green background has been removed, so in this case the dragon now flies over the mountains. It still needs some trimming though. I can reposition it and slow it down or speed it up. Once I'm done, I repeat the process for the other clip. In this movie, I have only used some ready-made Keynote clips. The green screen feature is of course a lot more useful when you use real people and real backgrounds. But I think you got the idea on how to make this work on iPad.